From a nude high-speed chase to a drunk golf cart joyride, and even a rock-wielding standoff, these real-life police encounters are straight out of a movie, but they really happen.
Mister down!
Keep your hands up! Face away from me and walk backwards through me!
Welcome to EJV BODYCAM. A 51-year-old woman led Santa Fe deputies on a wild chase, flying over 100 miles per hour, running red lights, then crashed.
Check that car.
Got out completely naked, and screamed Jehovah while running across the highway. Yes, all of it was caught on camera. In Florida, of course, a woman was found driving a golf cart in the middle of I-95. A truck driver helped get her off the road. If you love raw police footage, wild pursuits, and real breakdowns like this, make sure to like and subscribe.
Let me have that, I'll give it to you.
Unhand me, get your hands off of me.
Ma'am, you need to go in the car.
Yes, but he needs,
He's letting you go.
you need to unhand me, and you need to unhand me about 20 minutes.
Okay, well, I haven't been holding you for 20 minutes. It's been 2, so go ahead and get in the car.
You have been holding me.
Alright, we're not
for 20
arguing here,
minutes.
ma'am. I need you to get in the back of the car so that I can pull off the road. We're on the shoulder right now, it's
I
not
want my
safe.
purse and I want my
I'll give it to you, I'll put it in my car.
No, they're right there. I want
will
it now.
put it in my
I
car.
want them now.
I'm not gonna get that right now.
I want them now.
Ma'am, don't do this the hard way. Just sit in the car and wait for a few minutes until I
Don't
figure
tell
out
me
what's
to do
going
it
on.
part way. I have not done anything wrong.
You actually have done something wrong, okay?
What?
It's illegal to drive on 95 on a golf cart, okay?
Well, I wasn't on 95.
You were on 95.
No.
Where are we at right now?
You were on 95. What do you think we're right now?
248.
Go ahead and sit down.
297 on the signal 23. 1049, 12.
I want my belongings now.
I will give you your
No, I
belongings in a
want them
minute.
now.
Sit down. Ma'am, I'm not going to argue with you. Don't make me put you in the back of the car.
1676.
I want my
1676.
It is my right to my.
Says the other driver, 1015, will be 1012 to hold it.
No, I want my belongings.
I'll put it in the car with
No,
you.
no,
Sit in
no,
the
no,
car.
no, no, please don't touch me.
Okay, what do you have in the purse that you need right now?
I have my identification.
Let's do this. No, I have your identification. Let's do this. I'll give you your belongings if you let me go through it.
No.
No? Okay, then you're not getting it because it's not safe for me for you to have a bag that I don't know where you have it.
You're not gonna stop me.
Alright, I am done with you. You are going in the car.
No, sir, no. No, I want a video cam.
Ma'am, you are being videoed. You want your belongings with you?
I want everything, but I want you to unleash me.
Okay.
You will not.
I am telling you, it's not safe for you or for us to be arguing here on the side of the road.
You're right.
Exactly, I'm right. Then get
I
in.
want my belongings, and I want them with me.
Okay. I'm gonna go through them to see that you don't have anything that
That's
could hurt
fine.
me.
That's fine.
Okay. All right.
Sure.
1757. You can 66 County. I don't know how it happened, but the traffic light is starting to work again. That far. 1648, just to confirm, 71 is 51 is 4. That's that far.
Alright.
No.
Ma'am, you're being arrested for driving under the influence.
No. Ow.
Yes.
Ow.
Get out. Get out of the vehicle.
San 1648.
Get out of the vehicle.
Why is 1071 needed? They're asking questions.
No.
Get out of the vehicle.
No.
Stand up.
Right. Right.
Right now. We don't know what's going on.
Right.
Right away.
No.
Ma'am, go ahead and sit down.
No. You are actually you are containing me.
1684.
No.
1661. And 1950s. 1757.
So you guys are like
1757.
no.
Ma'am, get in.
Can we notify county? They have a traffic light.
I am not with the holding.
520 and
Ma'am, get in.
No.
Northbound.
No, I'm not.
That's
No. Ow.
and Ow!
Get the cones off.
Go up to the next
No.
traffic light and make a U-turn. I think it's been like this for quite a while.
No. I am not. I just want to be able to live my life with the with everything that goes through it. Okay, that's what I want. It means I'm gonna go through this complication, and it's gonna mean 24 to 46 hours of making sure that we get this. I am under arrest and I am like not going anywhere. So anyway, please help me. These guys have nothing else better to do than just like, oh yeah, we're gonna get this bust. That's all we care about.
Cops found an open bottle of Jack Daniels in her bag. She fought them, but was arrested. Then there's the woman clutching a huge rock, refusing to drop it despite officers calmly trying to de-escalate.
Are you calling us? Are you calling 911? You're not calling at all? Then what's going on? Hey, what's going on? Come on back over. Put the rock down for me. Can you put the rock down for me?
April 3131 and 1104 units of 10-4.
Hey, put the rock down for me. The rock, put it down. Tape. You got a free code 10 that can just walk my way. Female's refusing to get off the phone and has a rock in her hand and won't listen to me.
Unit 210 on 507 King Pole Parkway.
Hey, can you put the rock down for me?
1900.
There's a rock in your hand, put it down for me, would you? Are you able to put it down for me or no? Hey, when you walk up on her, just do me a favor, bear hug her. It's underneath her left arm. No. Put the rock down. Put it down.
What? You son of a bitch!
Nope. Put it down. Missed. Hey, put it down. Missed twice.
No, Kelly, they're protecting.
Missed it down.
No, Kelly, help!
I got her left. Go right. My taser's already down. That's all right. 11:30, keep stepping up.
Hey, throw that fucking rock.
Kelly, they're protecting me from these here.
Tensions rise, tasers get ready, a textbook example of how things can go sideways, fast. Finally, four women who shoplifted from outlet stores tried to make a run for it, but deputies used a pit maneuver to stop their car.
Unit number, go ahead.
2150. The southbound at 13, that followed vehicle from Dawson. Papa 3621745. 3621745. Silver Ford Fusion.
Please, please, southbound 13.
Right. If you'll let know Dawson, I haven't stopped. We're southbound just before 13. Like 5 times 4. Let Dawson know I haven't stopped. We're southbound just before 13. Like Bud 4 times.
Please, turn off the
Driver, get out of the car. You ready there? Taking off on me on southbound. Native pit. We're southbound.
Put your hands up! Put your hands up!
They're regional.
Pit, starting with some more units. They're compliant right now. Yeah, I got him. Driver! Step out! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! Keep your hands up! Face away from me and walk backwards to me. Walk backwards. Back to me. Back.
Crime spree over. Turns out one had fake cash, another had a warrant. Wild, reckless, unpredictable, and all caught on body cam. Make sure to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more real-life breakdowns only on EJV BODYCAM.